Hello friend, how do you do?
I am fine, thank you. Why are you looking so sad?
Actually, I am worried about my final examination. What about your preparation for the examination?
Well, I'm going on with my studies. I am also worried about my exam.
But tell me about your preparation in different subjects.
You know I'm weak in English. That's why, I'm taking special care in English. I'm having a detailed revision in other subjects.
Are you taking help from any special books?
Yes, but I study textbooks very carefully.
I see. I must start working with the textbooks. What do you think?
Yes. I think it'll be very helpful not only for English but also for other subjects.
Thank you for your supportive suggestion. I wish you good luck.
You are most welcome.